everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transition effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add transition effect on CapCut, you just click on the box white icon at the video, this one. You can click on it, and then in here you can see many transition effect on a CapCut apps. You just choose the transition that you want to add. I want to try to add this one at the MG and then right row. You can click on it, and after this you can set the duration. You can swipe this icon to left or right like this, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add transition effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.